changed my life.
I'm ready for bigger and better things. I'm John Delaney, and I'm going places.
Oh, hey, you're Dawn, the environmentalist.
And you're Matt, the conniving fascist sellout.
Hey, you remembered my name.
I can't believe how unsympathetic you people were.
Hey, we're a business. Well, sometimes we have to think of the greater good.
Can you look at this bird and tell me you really believe that?
Sure. Hey there, big fella. We're gonna build a factory on your home. Well, he started it.
You are just like all those other toxic, dumping, profit-mongering, soulless corporate money grubbers.
And you're just like all those other whiny, bleeding heart, trail mix eating, no shaving under their armpits liberals. What's wrong about the armpits?
So, tell me what you've learned about the environment.
Pollution can be cut by 60% if everyone carpools.
Excellent.
And I love the fish. And the bird.
You're not just saying that because we're about to have incredible sex, are you?
No, no. But thank you for the vote of confidence.
Yeah.
No, of course I care about the stupid bird. It's just that...
The bird is stupid? Oh, that's great. So this is just a put-on to have sex.
Incredible sex.
You know, you are everything I despise in a man.
Well, then I must be doing something right. This fighting thing's working out good.
I'll be right back. Don't move.
Good thinking. A little environmental protection. Hey there, big fella. Here you go. Ow. You didn't even shell it. You are wild.
You looking at the toucaneur? He really is majestic, isn't he?
Oh, yeah, he's a real looker. I bet you taste good in little lemon sauce.
Well, hey, I've gone out of town for a few days. Maybe you want to take care of him.
Why are you making that noise? You're choking. Oh, my God, it's as hard as a rock.
I'll be right out.
Listen, Dawn, I just forgot I have a meeting now. But, I'm gonna take you up on that offer and keep the bird for a few days.
Working is brought to you in part by Upton Weber. Soon after Sputnik, Upton Weber launched its own satellite, one with technology so advanced that we can pinpoint your exact location without you ever knowing it. Upton Weber. We've had our eye on you since 1892.
Look, I know you're not crazy about these pills, but the vet said you had a shock to your system. What? You want me to crush it up and sprinkle it in your birdseed like a baby? You have a 3-foot wingspan. Act like it. Hello? Oh, hey, Dawn. Yeah, when are you getting back? No, take your time. Yeah, oh, he's great. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're having a ball. Bye. I miss you. Ow! It's gonna be a big factory with 3 smokestacks.
Liz Tricoli, Mr. Simons. A good executive is always looking for fresh ideas. And mine are so fresh, I haven't even thought of them yet. I'd love to have lunch with you any day next week.
How about Tuesday?
Excellent.
Wow, again, 7 seconds.
I know I don't sweat like Delaney, but other than a fat man eating soup, who does?
Excuse me. John Delaney, sir. I've got some dynamic ideas for your department, which I'd love to discuss over lunch at a topless bar.
How about Tuesday?
Don't you already have a lunch for Tuesday?
I'll cancel. She was too chatty.
Wow, Delaney did it in 6 seconds.
Yeah, I took that seminar, but I decided 7 seconds was for wimps.
Why don't you just do it in 2 seconds, Delaney, and call it sex?
Oh! Okay. We have to talk. I overlooked it when you put my mail in your metallic groin area. But there is no way to mistake this.
Hi, Val.
Evelyn, I need to talk to you. I'm being sexually harassed, stalked, and fondled, and I want it stopped.
Okay, who's doing it?
He is.
The robot?
Yes, look into his eyes. Those are the eyes of a pervert. He can sense me just like any other man.
Those eyes are metal diodes with a titanium overlay. The only thing they can sense is that you're one nutty white lady.
I was reading about you on the internet. Did you know you're one of 4 toucaneurs left in North America? You've been around for over 6,000 years, and you only get a chance to mate once in your lifetime. You miss that, and it's over. Hello? Dawn? Dawn? Guess just you and me.
In local news, Upton Weber, despite the protests of environmentalists over the endangered toucaneurs, will clear marshland for a factory to provide
More jobs.
plastic birds.
This isn't right. I gotta do something. I'm not gonna let Upton Weber take away your marshlands. Hey, look. That looks just like your